Before you buy your next car upgrade, watch this video full. Number 1. Orbiter Plus Magnetic Phone Mount. Keeping your phone stable while driving can be frustrating, especially when navigation is involved. The Nite Steelie Orbiter Plus magnetic mount solves that with a powerful magnetic socket and metal ring that securely holds your phone on the dashboard. Its sleek, low-profile design blends perfectly with your car interior while allowing easy one-hand attachment and removal. The strong magnetic hold keeps your device stable even on rough roads. Number 2. Hypersonic Car Power Handle Steering Wheel Knob. Turning the steering wheel quickly can be difficult during tight parking or sharp turns. The Hypersonic Car Power Handle Spinner knob attaches directly to your steering wheel and allows smooth one-hand steering control. Its ergonomic rotating grip makes maneuvering much easier, especially in city driving or while parking. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the smooth bearing rotation provides effortless control. Number 3. NAZZO Car Visor Extender Sun Blocker. Sun glare while driving can be dangerous and distracting. The NAZZO Car Visor Extender adds an extra polarized lens that extends your vehicle's sun visor for better protection. This magnetic detachable lens reduces glare from the sun and bright reflections from the road. The polarized design improves visibility and reduces eye strain during long drives. It easily clips onto your existing visor and can be adjusted depending on the sun's position. Number 4. GPS Digital Car Inclinometer and HUD Display. For off-road drivers and adventure lovers, vehicle angles and driving data are extremely important. This GPS digital inclinometer displays pitch and roll angles of your vehicle in real time. It also includes a digital speedometer and coordinate display for accurate navigation information. The clear head-up display makes the data easy to read even while driving. Designed to work with vehicles running between DC 10 to 30 volts. Number 5. Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener CF8. Most car air fresheners lose their scent quickly or smell artificial. The Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener uses a premium fragrance diffusion system with automatic on and off functionality. It adjusts scent intensity depending on your preferences and activates when the car starts moving. The elegant aluminum design looks modern and blends nicely with any car interior. Number 6. Keeping your car interior clean can be challenging, especially with dust, crumbs, or pet hair. The Ofuzzi H8 Apex portable vacuum delivers powerful 12,000 Pascal suction in a compact handheld design. Despite its strong performance, it weighs only about 1.2 pounds, making it easy to handle and store. The USB-C fast charging feature ensures the vacuum is always ready when needed. It works great for cleaning seats, floor mats, dashboards, and tight corners. Number 7. JOYTUTUS 3-in-1 Steering Wheel Eating Tray. Eating or working inside your car can be uncomfortable without proper support. The JOYTUTUS 3-in-1 Steering Wheel Tray transforms your steering wheel into a convenient mini table. It can be used as a food tray, laptop desk, or writing surface while parked. The sturdy design supports everyday items like meals, tablets, or notebooks. It's especially useful for commuters, rideshare drivers, and travelers who spend long hours in their vehicles. Number 8. Cybertruck Door Hidden Storage Organizer. Tesla Cybertruck owners often look for ways to maximize storage space. This built-in hidden door storage box fits perfectly inside the Cybertruck door panel. The pop-up lid design keeps items hidden while maintaining a clean interior look. It includes a silicone pad to prevent items from sliding or making noise while driving. Number 9. Doona Car Seat and Stroller Travel System. Traveling with infants usually requires carrying both a stroller and a car seat. The Doona Car Seat and Stroller solves this problem with a fully integrated design. With a simple motion, it converts from a car seat into a stroller in seconds. This makes transitions from car to walking effortless for parents. The sturdy construction ensures safety while the compact design saves trunk space. It's especially useful for families who travel frequently with young children. Number 10. POWOXI Solar Battery Trickle Charger. Car batteries can slowly lose charge when vehicles sit and use for long periods. The POWOXI Solar Trickle Charger uses solar energy to maintain your battery without external power. The waterproof solar panel continuously provides gentle charging to prevent battery drain. Number 11. Dash cameras have become essential for recording driving incidents and protecting drivers. The ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam records ultra-clear 4K video from the front and full HD footage from the rear. It uses a Starvis 2 sensor to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. The included 128GB memory card allows immediate recording without extra purchases. Number 12. 9.6-inch Tesla heads-up display screen. Tesla owners sometimes prefer a display directly in front of the driver. This 9.6-inch heads-up display adds a sleek screen that integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It syncs with vehicle data to show speed and navigation information clearly. The ultra-thin design ensures it doesn't block air vents or interfere with the interior layout. It also includes a front camera and supports OTA updates for improved functionality. Number 13. BAYU 4-in-1 Car Smart Kit. Instead of carrying multiple tools, the BAYU 4-in-1 Car Smart Kit combines several essential devices in one unit. It includes a powerful 19,000 pascals vacuum cleaner, a cordless pressure washer, a tire inflator, and a portable power bank. This multifunction tool is ideal for emergencies, cleaning, and roadside maintenance. The built-in battery provides reliable power for multiple uses. Its compact design makes it easy to store in the trunk without taking up much space. Number 14. 300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Maintaining correct tire pressure is essential for safety and fuel efficiency. The ETENWOLF T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge provides extremely accurate readings with industrial-grade calibration. It measures pressures from 3 to 200 psi with minimal error. The bright digital display makes readings easy even in low-light conditions. Its rugged design ensures durability for long-term use. Powered by replaceable AAA batteries. Number 15. Flat or underinflated tires can happen unexpectedly on the road. The AstroAI L7 portable tire inflator provides quick and convenient tire inflation without needing a gas station. It delivers up to 150 psi pressure and includes a digital display for accurate monitoring. The cordless design and rechargeable battery make it extremely portable. Built-in LED lights allow safe use during nighttime emergencies. If you enjoyed discovering these smart car gadgets, make sure to like and sub.